How to create an account on Indodax. First of all, open the app on your device and tap on register to create a new account. Then you will see two options, create account or continue with Google. If you want to create an account quickly, tap on continue with Google, select your Google account and grant the necessary permissions. Your Indodax account will be created instantly. If you prefer to create an account manually, tap on the create account button. Next, enter your username, email address, phone number, password, re-enter your password and fill in the referral ID field. After that, hit the create account button to proceed. You may be asked to verify your email address and phone number, so make sure to check your inbox and SMS for the verification link or code sent by Indodax. Follow the provided instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, your account will be successfully created. You will then be taken to the main dashboard where you can explore features such as viewing cryptocurrencies, checking market prices, and making trades. Depending on your account type, you may also need to complete additional verification steps like submitting your ID or personal information for security purposes. Now you know how to create an account on Indodax. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.